Kind of windy. Hope you could hear it. This is kind of the ultimate videos editing setup here. This is my view while I edit videos. Not bad, huh? Welcome to Alaska and beyond. This is definitely beyond. We're in the beyond. So we are on our third day, maybe fourth day. I don't know. Lost track of time. Island time. I guess it don't matter. And we're still getting ready and enjoying family and enjoying our time here in Kona. And we're almost ready to go on a big cruise in Tahiti tomorrow. We get on the big airplane to head to Papeete, and then the real cruise begins. One more day. Oh yeah, there's little boats. A boat. Well, we're here tonight at the Kona by the Sea for a dinner with the yacht club. Our last night in Kona for a while. We'll be back in a couple of weeks after our stint in Tahiti. I wonder what the story is behind the saltwater pool. You coming out here? Buggy. Pretty soon it'll be sunset. We'll have our sundowners by the sea.
Speed your love.
It's been a long 24 hours. I'm ready.
We're on our way. 2 more airplanes to Tahiti.